Hello and Happy New Year. Matt Ryan here with the Bozeman Real Estate Group, here to bring you your monthly market update. Hope that 2023 has started off well for you and that you're able to get some time with the family and up in the mountains over the holiday season. This week, we're going to be switching it up a little bit and focusing on the year-end data that's now rolling in for 2022. These numbers may change a little bit just with some kind of last minute loose ends wrapping up for the year, but not enough to really change the data. Before we get started, let's make sure that you hit that subscribe button. That's going to keep you up to date when we put these monthly videos out, and that way you can kind of keep your thumb on the pulse of the market as we move forward in 2023. So getting started, we're going to be focusing on Bozeman proper and the greater Bozeman area. That's going to include Bridger Canyon, out to Four Corners, down to Gallatin Gateway, and even down to the mouth of Gallatin Canyon. We're going to exclude Manhattan, Three Forks, and Livingston from this video just so that the data doesn't get diluted. So starting off, 2022 was really the tale of two markets. The first half of 2022 really just followed suit like 21 and 20, or at least the end of 20, with high buyer demand, low inventory, and really a seller's market with strong increase in values. As May rolled around and we had the increase in rates begin, we started to see the brakes get put on the market. Homes sit a little bit longer and buyers have a little bit more negotiation power with that increase in inventory. So getting into the numbers, we'll start off with the main number that everybody kind of focuses on, which is that median sale price. We did have a 17% increase in 2022 over 21. 21 ended at 630,000. We ended last year at 735,000. That 17% increase is about double what a normal market would be for positive growth, which would be that 4 to 6% range. So even more than double. Not quite what 2021 was, which was 41%, but we're kind of headed back towards that normal market feel. So strong growth there. The second number we're going to look at is our average time on market, which is starting to normalize as well. 21, we spent 21 days on market on average. That increased 24% to 26 days. And as you can kind of see here in the graph, we're starting to move that trend upwards. You can also kind of see some of that seasonality, where typically that spring and early summer market, homes move quicker and sell faster. And now we're starting to kind of increase. But just for reference too, in that 21 market or 20 market, we can see that 60 to 80 days was pretty normal. So we're kind of headed back in that direction. Looking specifically at inventory, we have seen almost double the increase of inventory from 2.5 months to 5 months of inventory. So a lot more for buyers to look at. And that amount of inventory is also going to allow us to have more room for the buyers to negotiate, sellers to provide credit and price reductions, and a continuation of that pace of just a more normal, even tempoed market. Then the final data set that we're going to look at is this sale price versus original price. So where did homes end up selling versus where they started at? In 20 and 21, homes are selling for about 100% of what they were listed for originally. With the multiple offers and that drive up demand, we saw a lot of homes sell overpriced, and so the few homes that did have price reductions balanced out in 21 at 100%. We did see that decrease a bit this year and down to 98.7%. So that's showing that sellers are starting to reduce prices from their original list price, and that sellers are also being able to negotiate off that price. Those changes all started to take place in May through the end of the year as rates started to climb. And we are seeing some of that affordability factor in with the rates and monthly payment. But we do have some strategies to help people kind of get around that. If you have questions about how to sell your home in the current market, or how we're handling some of those increase in rates for the buyers, feel free to reach out. My email is right here at matt@bozemanrealestate.group, and my number is 406-579-4432. Have a great one and talk to you next month.